For many years, crypto market specialists have been working really hard to create a computerized resource, the biggest digital money, that would be a one-stop answer for tending to all matters concerning versatility between tradability and influence. Every one of the obstacles and inventive erraticisms encompassing cryptographic forms of money were settled when Charles Hoskinson begat Cardano, ADA. Cardano, ADA, beneficial computerized resource. Charles Hoskinson, fellow benefactor of Ethereum himself, didn't realize that he was in for sensational increases when he made ad-libs in his treasured computerized posterity, making Cardano, ADA, dispense with all blemishes and limits, giving the world a one-stop arrangement. Cardano network battles all deterrents concerning versatility, interoperability, and administration. Allow us to examine a portion of its remarkable elements. 1. Supported by a devoted group of experts working really hard to guarantee the component of Cardano is tailor-made to suit financial backer necessities. 2. An all-day, everyday non-stop talk and email support guarantee financial backers generally partake in the imperative hand-holding, while at the same time completing any exchanges. 3. Setting higher client benchmarks. This digital currency market plans to create substantial profit for every one of its financial backers. Cardano establishment. The People Group impressions. The People Group at the Cardano project plans to convey money-related gains to the clients by the organization. It bears the benefit of instructing and cautioning them on all the lowdown of the crypto world. The establishment gave to Cardano establishment's task has support from Info Result Hong Kong and Emergo, taking on the total sanction of liability towards financial backers. Social reason. Emergo upholds business reception, and IOHK cares for the surface. Together, they edit the imaginative peculiarity woven into Cardano innovation, compassing formal techniques points of interest. The entire portfolio is fastidiously explored and evaluated by experts before a public delivery. Cardano People Group is profoundly forceful in spreading mass consciousness of the advanced resource ADA, supported by schooling on blockchain and DeFi areas with envoys, promoters, and industry specialists. Leaving a worldwide impression upheld by articulate procedures, makes Cardano stand apart from its friends and fundamentally influences different industry sections. Frederick Gregard, the CEO, has the vision as of now critically cut for the corporate Cardano establishment has a devoted and superior grade ability base, which will take Cardano higher than ever. And I guess that the following couple of years will be a huge development period for the convention. Cardano, the new overhauls. There were a ton of moves up to Cardano's brilliant agreements in the new past. Alonzo Purple was the most effective overhaul. The Alonzo Purple update got an enormous change. Brilliant agreements. It has opened the entryways for non-fungible tokens, NFT, and upset the chain. In addition to that, Cardano, ADA, saw 100 million dynamic wallets back in May. However, the quantity of the crypto wallet is multiplied to 200 million over the most recent half year. Presently, the organization will have to help step up its adaptability to more readily oblige the new clients. Hydra is a layer 2 scaling answer for Cardano, and it helps push the organization for business use. It will present 1,000 Hydra hubs equipped for dealing with 1,000 exchanges each second. In the event that it is valid, Cardano will be the most noteworthy scaling network on the planet. Cardano value history and specialized investigation. Cardano is the 9th biggest digital currency by market capitalization. Cardano's local token, ADA, has a tremendous market cap of $8,672,316,422. The development is fundamentally because of the lift in its utilization cases. As of late, the Cardano network has declared one more move up to make the exchange smooth and simple. In any case, 2022 has not been ideal for most digital currencies, including the crypto ruler. ADA's cost throughout the previous 7 days has been exchanging a scope of 31 cents to 24 cents. After ADA's cost hit $1.59 in January, it consistently exchanged at lower values. It even neglected to hold its drawn-out help of 40 cents. ADA endeavored a recuperation, showing a seriously bullish example, supported areas of strength 4 by regardless of the unfavorable market patterns from mid-walk. In the wake of coming to the $1.20 mark, the cost of Cardano confronted a critical remedy and fell underneath $1. As indicated by our ADA coin cost expectation for the following couple of years, the token is assessed to have forward movement. Likewise, taking into account the digital currency market's unpredictability, the Cardano cost can either contact the sky or hit a hard base from now on. The ADA coin showed range-bound exchanging, and for the excess days of the year, our Cardano cost expectation 2022 demonstrates a consistent solidification in the cost, and the ADA cost will most likely be unable to cross the 35 cents mark. Be that as it may, the cost could begin areas of strength for a following a couple of months in 2023. Cardano Value Expectation 2023. As per our ADA figures, the coin might exchange a scope of 20 cents to $1.97 for the year 2023, where the base cost is 20 cents and the greatest cost is $1.97. Simultaneously, the typical ADA and incentive for the year might be around $1.09. Cardano Value Forecast 2024. The base and greatest costs for the year 2024 for the ADA token are supposed to be around $1.73 and $3.50. Simultaneously, the typical cost, according to our Cardano cost gauge, is supposed to be around $2.62. It is normal that ADA might make another AF this year. Cardano Value Forecast 2025. 2025 is the year when at long last the coin might cross its $5 mark, with a most extreme exchanging worth of $5.03, while the base future cost is supposed to be $3.26. Simultaneously, the typical ADA cost may be $4.15. Cardano Value Expectation 2026. The ADA cost could vacillate somewhere in the range of $4.79 and $6.56 in 2026, where the previous is the most minimal cost and the last option is the most exorbitant cost for the year, according to our Cardano cost expectations. The typical worth expected for the year is $5.68. Cardano Value Forecast 2027. As indicated by our ADA cost expectation, the base, normal, and greatest costs for the year are supposed to be $6.32, $7.21, and $8.09 separately. Cardano has been one of the most dynamic crypto resources, and assuming you purchase Cardano at its ongoing worth, brokers can procure incredible benefits. Cardano Value Expectation 2028. In light of past execution, the base and most extreme costs are supposed to be around $7.85 and $9.62, while the typical cost might be $8.74 for the year 2028. Cardano Value Expectation 2029. In the wake of raising a ruckus around town AF, the ADA coin will progress forward the upswing. According to our ADA cost expectation, the base and most extreme costs might be around $9.38 and $11.15 in 2029. Simultaneously, the typical worth is anticipated to be $10.27. Cardano Value Forecast 2030. When it is 2030, our ADA cost forecast 2030 predicts that the coin might exchange a scope of $10.91 and $12.68. Simultaneously, our Cardano Value Expectation 2030 proposes that the typical worth might be $11.80 all year long. The Cardano estimate recommends that the ADA cost could cross the most extreme cost of $2.